Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to program the product removing process in the cart page. This feature allows users to delete a product from their shopping cart dynamically without reloading the whole page until the deletion is confirmed. So now let's see. I'm going to the cart page. So you can see in the cart there are two products added in here. I'm going to remove a product. You can see the remove button in here. I'm going to press it. So you can see the alert, success, remove your cart. I'm going to press OK. So the product is deleted from the cart. This is the product deletion process in the cart page. So now let's see the code. In the cart PHP file, this is the remove button. I called an on click on this button, remove from cart function. When the remove button is pressed, this function will process here and it will delete the product record in the cart page. So now let's see the function. So this is the JavaScript function named remove from cart, and it accepts one parameter, the ID of the cart item we want to remove. This ID is passed dynamically from the cart page when the user clicks the remove button next to a product. Here I am creating an XML HTTP request object. This is the built-in JavaScript object used for making HTTP requests to the server without reloading the page. It's the core of how Ajax works. This block is the event handler that runs automatically whenever the server responds. Ready state, request ready state equal 4 and request status equal to 100 means ready state equal 4 means the request is complete. Status equal to 100 means it was successful. Then I capture whatever text the server sends me back into the response variable. Next I'm checking if the PHP backend return the text success. If yes, I show a simple alert message saying successfully removed from your cart, and then I reload the page to refresh the cart contents. If not, I show whatever message PHP sends, for example, if something went wrong. Finally, I open a GET request to my backend file called removeCartProcess.php, and I append the product's ID as a query parameter. The third parameter, true, means that it's asynchronous request. It's an asynchronous request. So the page won't freeze while waiting for a response. Then I call send to actually send the request. So function gets the ID, sends it via Ajax, wait for response, shows success message, reloads the cart. Now let's see the remove cart process PHP file. This line includes my database connection file. It gives access to the database class in its custom function like search and IUD, like search and include. That's how the PHP script communicates with SQL. Here I check if the get parameter ID was actually sent by the JavaScript request. This prevents error if someone tries to access the file directly without passing the ID. If the ID exists, I store it in a variable CID. This represents the cart ID of the product that the user wants to remove. Here, I call a custom method database include. This is the function from my database class that executes insert, update, or delete SQL queries. In this case, it removes the record from the cart table where the cart ID matches the given ID. After deleting the record successfully, I return the text success back to the front end. Remember, this is exactly what the JavaScript is waiting for. If it receives the string, it shows the alert and reloads the cart page. If the ID parameter wasn't provided for some reason, the script returns the message something went wrong. This message will then appear in the browser as an alert because of our JavaScript error handling. So the PHP side receives the remove card process PHP receives the ID via get, deletes deletes the item from the database, sends a response, success or error message. Now let's look at how both parts connect. When I click the remove button, it calls remove from cart function in JavaScript. The JavaScript file sends an AJAX request to remove cart process PHP. The PHP script deletes the product from the database. The PHP script sends back a message. JavaScript reads the message and reloads the cart. So this remove from cart feature is built using JavaScript for asynchronous communication and PHP plus SQL for backend data deletion. It's a simple but powerful technique that makes the cart experience smooth and responsive. Thank you.